Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with American Express step by step clearly. First, visit the American Express website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your existing American Express account. Navigate to the products or credit cards section on the site. Browse through the available credit card options. Select the card that best fits your needs and click on it for details. Review the card's features, benefits, and fees. Click on the Apply Now button to start the application process. Fill in your personal information, including name, address, and date of birth. Provide your financial information, such as income and employment details. Review all the information you entered for accuracy. Submit your application for processing. Wait for confirmation of your application status. If approved, you will receive information regarding your new credit card by mail. Follow the instructions provided to activate your card once it arrives. Set up your online account for easy management of your card. Familiarize yourself with the card's rewards program and payment options. Now you're ready to start using your American Express credit card responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.